Dear students, in this video we shall solve the problem when sales of 2 years and profit of 2 years are given. Problem is like this. You are given the following data: year, sales, profit. Year 2018, sales 1,20,000, profit rupees 8,000. Year 2019, sales 1,40,000, profit rupees 30,000. Find out PV ratio, BEP, profit when sales are rupees 1,80,000, sales required to earn a profit of rupees 12,000, and margin of safety in 2019. In this problem, we have to calculate PV ratio by applying the formula change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. First, we have to calculate change in profit. In the year 2018, profit is 8,000. In the year 2019, profit is 13,000. So there is a change of 5,000 profit. So change in profit is rupees 5,000. Similarly, we have to calculate change in sales. Sales of 2018 rupees 1,20,000. Sales in the year 2019 1,40,000. So 1,40,000 and 1,20,000, the change is 20,000. So change in profit rupees 5,000 divided by change in sales 20,000 whole multiplied by 100 is equal to 25%. So PV ratio is 25%. To calculate BEP, we have to find out fixed cost, because fixed cost is not given in the problem. So fixed cost is equal to sales into PV ratio minus profit. Sales rupees 1,20,000 into PV ratio 25% minus profit 8,000 is equal to 22,000. 22,000 is the fixed cost. Now we can calculate BEP. BEP is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost rupees 22,000 divided by 25% is equal to rupees 88,000. 88,000 is the BEP. Next, profit when sales are rupees 1,80,000. Formula is given sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Given sales are rupees 1,80,000 into PV ratio 25% minus fixed cost 22,000 is equal to 23,000 is the profit when sales are rupees 1,80,000. Now sales to earn a profit of rupees 12,000. Formula fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost rupees 22,000 plus desired profit 12,000 divided by PV ratio 25%. Rupees 1,36,000 is the sales to earn a profit of rupees 12,000. Next, margin of safety in 2019. Margin of safety is equal to actual sales minus BEP sales. Actual sales rupees 1,40,000 minus BEP sales rupees 88,000 is equal to 52,000. So 52,000 is the margin of safety. In this way, when 2 years figures are given, the problem is to be solved. One more problem of 2 years information, but the point to be noted is here 1 year there is a loss and in another year there is a profit. Now the problem is following are the data relating to Shashank Limited. Year, units sold, selling price per unit, profit bar loss. Year 2018, units sold 7,000, selling price per unit rupees 100, rupees 10,000 loss. Year 2019, units sold 9,000, selling price per unit rupees 100, rupees 10,000 profit. Find out BEP and number of units to be sold to earn a profit of rupees 50,000. See the difference between this problem and the previous problem. Here total sales is not given. Units sold are given and selling price per unit is given. So total sales is to be calculated by multiplying units sold by selling price per unit. Units sold into selling price per unit is equal to sales. Now we have to calculate the PV ratio. Before calculating the PV ratio, as I have told you already, that we have to calculate change in sales and change in amount. Change in sales is equal to rupees 2 lakh. In the year 2018, sales are rupees 7 lakh, that is 7,000 units into rupees 100 selling price per unit. And in the year 2019, 9,000 units are sold into selling price per unit 100, that is 9 lakh. So 9 lakh minus 7 lakh is the change in sales, that is rupees 2 lakh. Similarly, change in profit is rupees 20,000, that is loss rupees 10,000 plus profit rupees 10,000. It means in the first year, that is in the year 2018, there was a loss of rupees 10,000, and in the year 19 the profit is rupees 10,000. It means that the real profit in the year 2019 is rupees 20,000. After writing up of 10,000 rupees loss, there is a profit of 10,000. So total profit or change in profit is rupees 20,000. Loss and profit is to be added. Now PV ratio is equal to change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. Change in profit, as we have already calculated, 20,000, and change in sales rupees 2 lakh. So 20,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100 is equal to 10%. So 10% is the PV ratio. Then we have to calculate fixed cost. As we have already seen in the previous problem, fixed cost is equal to sales into PV ratio plus loss. In the previous problem, we have deducted the profit, but here if the loss is given, the loss is to be added. So sales into PV ratio plus loss is equal to 7 lakh is the sales into PV ratio 10% plus loss rupees 10,000 is equal to 80,000. So 80,000 is the fixed cost. Then we have to calculate BEP. BEP is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. fixed cost rupees 80,000 divided by PV ratio 10%. Rupees 8 lakh is the BEP. Now we have to calculate BEP in units. BEP in units is equal to BEP in rupees divided by selling price per unit. 8 lakh rupees divided by 100 is equal to 8,000 units. Then we have to calculate units to be sold to earn a profit of rupees 50,000. The formula to be applied is fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost are rupees 80,000 plus desired profit rupees 50,000 divided by 10% is equal to rupees 13 lakh. Now we want units. Units to be sold is equal to rupees 13 lakh divided by rupees 100 selling price per unit. So the result 13,000 units. So 13,000 units are to be sold to earn a profit of rupees 50,000. See the two problems we have solved on information given for 2 years. One is both year profits are given, and in a second problem 1 year loss, 1 year profit. So in the both the problem we calculated BEP and also units to be sold in a different way. So you have to note down when the loss is given, 1 year loss is given, 1 year profit is given, how the problem is to be solved. When both the year profits are given, how the problem is to be solved. So be careful in applying the formulas. Thank you.